Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to be looking at two windows, Andersen 100 Fibrex window and OKNA Eco-Pro 600 series. As usual, we're going to start from the interior of the window. So we're going to look at the convenience of these both windows, because definitely you're buying windows so so they look nice and actually become part of your house, but still you want to know how convenient these windows are. And by the way, Andersen 100 series is made of Fibrex material and OKNA Eco-Pro 600 series made of premium virgin vinyl material. So let's go ahead and see how they perform. Okay, so the major difference is this window here, Andersen 100 series. It does come only in single hung style, while OKNA, it does come it only comes in double hung style. So why is that important? So with a single hung you can open only the bottom sash and the top sash stays always stationary. So yeah, and some of you probably would say, well, this window Andersen 100 series is more energy efficient, which is true, because this window is stationary, never moves, so less air comes inside the house and out of the house. But let's say when you have a lot of hot air in your house, you cook a lot, or just maybe you have like a second floor or attic where you want to ventilate, and the hot air goes to the top. So to ventilate quicker, what you do, you just open the top sash, move the screen to the top, and all the hot air goes through the top of the window much quicker than in the case with a single hung window. Here you go, because you can ventilate quicker with a double hung window. OKNA 600 series Eco-Pro gets 1 point right here, and Andersen gets 0. Okay, another pretty much important luxury that is worth of your money, spending on the windows, that's convenience of cleaning the glass of the windows from the inside of the house. So this way you don't have to hire anybody or climb a ladder. So again, unfortunately, with Andersen 100 series Fibrex window, you cannot even tilt in the bottom sash, because many other single hung windows you can tilt in the bottom sash and you can stick your hand and you can clean the top. But in this window there is no way in the world that you can tilt in even the bottom sash. So basically you have to hire somebody to clean this window, or just shut the window down and don't even clean it, or whatever your case may be. But with OKNA, it's pretty much nice and fun to clean it. You just raise this sash a little bit up and here you go, nice and easy to tilt it in, and you do the same with the top sash, and now you have access for both sashes and you do the cleaning from the comfort of your house. So here we go, again, OKNA gets 1 point because it's more convenient. Andersen so far gets 2 zeros. So, and now we have another convenient feature that this time Andersen 100 series has it. So which this lock, it's called auto lock system. So basically the way to lock your window, what you have to do, you just push the sash down and it locks by itself. While with OKNA, we have this beautiful heavy duty brass locks. And pretty much, if it's too flashy for you, this color, that's antique brass, we have other options available for you. But Andersen does have other options as well with, color-wise, it's not a problem, so you're not gonna touch that in here. But anyway, so we have here pretty much a nice looking lock, but when you push it down, you have to lock it, right? And so many times, some people forget about that. They just put the sash down and, if you don't with this lock, your window is actually unlocked. So you have to remember, while with Andersen, it's pretty much more convenient. You just push it down, it locks by itself. And OKNA 600 series Eco-Pro doesn't have that feature. They used to have it, but if for some reason it was discontinued about few years ago. Okay, finally, good old Andersen 100 series, they get a point, and in this case, OKNA gets 0. And another pretty much convenient feature welcomed by everybody, that's night latches or vent latches. You know, whatever you call them, but what they do, once you unlock the window, you can open like a few inches at the bottom, or you can do the same in this case with OKNA 600 Eco-Pro. It's a double hung, so you can do the top. You just move the screen mesh to the top section. But it's very much nice to have it. And let's say if you have pets like dogs, cats, they love to sit next to the window, so that's gonna prevent them from falling from the window. Or maybe with little kids as well, up to maybe 2 years. After that, they can, they can watch this video and figure it out. So nothing stops them these days. But so with OKNA, the night latches or vent latches, another name for them, they are pretty much standard. So with Andersen 100 series, unfortunately, it is not a standard feature, so you don't have these stops available unless probably you would have to ask the dealer to install them for you or do something like that after the market. So again, pretty much convenient feature. So 1 for OKNA, 0 for Andersen. Okay, so I think we pretty much covered everything from the interior look at these both windows, Andersen 100 and OKNA 600 Eco-Pro. So let's go and start looking at the design of these both windows, because you're definitely buying the windows to have them, so they are convenient, but you don't want to have in your house something like with a brick-like aspect who wants to have vinyl or Fibrex or fiberglass or any other type of the material look like a vinyl or fiberglass brick. Nobody wants that. So let's dive into that. Okay, so design-wise, they pretty much look, both of them, pretty much nice from the interior point of view, both Andersen 100 and OKNA 600 Eco-Pro. But with the Fibrex material, actually, the design, it does have a few premium touches to it. So let's have a closer look at Andersen 100 series so we can see what's the difference with vinyl, which is OKNA 600 series. Alright, so when you look from the interior or actually exterior as well, so OKNA window is made from virgin vinyl, premium, pretty much smooth, nice, and premium touch material, but it's a fusion welded window, so basically no screws. When we look at the sides here, there is no screws that keep the frame and the sashes together. It's all fusion welded. How it's made? It's made under high temperatures to extrusions put together, and under high temperatures they actually stick together. So, but because of that, we have here like still little leftovers from the vinyl, under that baked, I would say like some kind of like a baked vinyl material. And when we look at the Andersen 100 Fibrex material, so all these corner cuts, 45 degrees on both sashes and the frames, they have much cleaner look. So basically it's more kind of like a wood look, where like, those older windows made of the wood, so they look nice and clean, all these cuts. So if it bothers you, like anything like that, these corners, then definitely Andersen 100 becomes handy in this case. So 1 point for Andersen and 0 for OKNA. Okay, so when you look at the design of Andersen 100 series, so we have this lift rail, which is actually at the top, while OKNA 600 Eco-Pro has at the bottom pretty much standard traditional lift rail, I would say. So that's how you lift